Good morning everyone. In today's video I'm going to share with you a full work day in my life because a couple of years ago I read this book called The 4-Hour Work Week. It talked about how you can live this lifestyle where you're working and living anywhere that you want. You're basically location independent, and just the idea that you can work and live anywhere that you want was exciting enough for me. Now there's so many ways that you can do this and the book does go over one of them, but I chose the simplest route. For me, it was to become an online English teacher. I started teaching English online with Magic Ears since 2018, and they only have 3 basic requirements in order for you to teach for them. Number 1 is that you need to be a native English speaker from the US, Canada, South Africa, UK, Australia, and New Zealand. Number 2 is that you need to have a bachelor's degree and it could be in any subject. Lastly, you need to have a TEFL or TESOL certification, which is a certification that allows you to teach English online. If you guys have watched me before, they used to require you to have teaching experience, but they no longer require that. So if you guys are interested in teaching with Magic Ears, make sure you check out the link in the description box. Since it's such a nice day today, I thought I would take you guys to one of my favorite areas in Da Nang, which is Antoine. And Antoine is the expat area, which is located really close to the beach. It's literally about a block, if you guys can see right here. And it has some of the coolest coffee shops and places for you to hang out. So I thought I would take you guys to one of the new restaurants that my friend just told me about. So let's go. Okay, so I just arrived at Rainbow Poke, which is a nicer restaurant that is located in Antoine too, and it's summer here, almost at least. It's really hot. So I love to start my morning with a smoothie bowl, which is what I just ordered. This is called a Kong smoothie bowl. And if you guys are wondering why am I not working in the morning, is because since I'm in Vietnam, I'm only 1 hour away from China, so I actually teach in the evening. So I actually have my whole day to myself until I work in the evening. Oh, I didn't even notice it has aloe vera. I've never had aloe vera in anything before, and it actually doesn't taste bad. I'm shocked. Have you guys ever had aloe vera in your smoothie? Because I thought it was gonna be bitter, but it's not bad actually. It's a beautiful beach day, you guys can see. This is Mikey Beach. This is what I like here. It's actually pretty empty because we're actually on a holiday. So there's a lot of people that have left and gone to other cities. I got some questions from you guys about lifestyle here as an online English teacher, so I thought I would answer them right here. So the first question that I got was, what made me choose Da Nang? And once I was able to make enough money to support myself online, I looked at different places like Colombia, I looked a lot of places in South America and in Asia as well, like Thailand. But I came across Da Nang by accident. But once I looked at the area, I really found my lifestyle. So Da Nang is very well situated in central Vietnam. It has the beach. You guys can see the mountain on this side as well, and it also has the high-rise building behind me. So I feel like I get the best of everything here. Another common question that I get is if I would rather teach online versus in school or in class. And this is such a great question because I have never taught in school. I've always taught online, but I really like the flexibility in general of teaching English online. Like the fact that I'm able to just open my schedule on my own time and work from any location that I choose. The beach is so beautiful. The waves are not too strong. All right, let's go for a swim. Guys, so the waves were a bit strong, so I decided to come to Esco Beach instead. Esco Beach is a nice restaurant on the beach, as you guys can see. It has a nice little swimming pool, which I might go in a little bit, and I'm just gonna have some coconut water. This is one of the reasons why I love Da Nang. You know, the fact that you're living on the beach, you get to experience this on a regular basis. You know, you can just go to a restaurant, hop in the pool, get something to drink, you know, or go on the beach and just enjoy your day. It's very windy today. You guys, this is what create a life worth living is about, you know? Look at this. All right, let's go for the swim. So I'm back home and I'm about to teach with Magic Ears actually, and thank you so much Magic Ears for sponsoring today's video. So let me show you guys a bit of my online classroom setup. So the first thing that you guys will see is my world map. I use this as my background. I think it's probably the easiest thing you guys can do, just to buy this and just stick it on your wall. This is my desk. These are my props. I actually am very simple with my teaching. I don't have that many things. I just have the ABC cards. They have pictures and letters, so it's very good. I have my world globe, which I use that all the time to show the students, like China, US. It's always fun. I have markers that I always use with the students, and I also have those finger Muppets, which are really cool. They have animals and they have people as well. And this is actually Ralph's. This is the tiger, which is Xiao Shu. I believe I said it right in Chinese. But the kids love this, so I'm gonna use that today. And I have my mouse right here. This is my laptop. I put it on top of this box, which allows me to stay at eye level. And I also have my ring light, which is so important when you're teaching in the dark. Sometimes it really helps to brighten you up, and there's different settings. And my headsets. Sometimes you guys ask me if you need to have the headsets with the mic, and definitely it's a must for teaching English online. And I would actually recommend getting one that has the setting right here, so you can kind of mute yourself if you're ever in between classes. Lastly, I have my Ethernet cable, which you guys need this because it will make the speed of the internet so much faster, so it's a must when teaching English online. All right, this is my setup. Magic Ears has some of the strongest training sessions to help new teachers succeed in the application process. So it's very easy for you to get through the application and teach your first class. I'm actually going to show you guys how I teach English online, so you have an understanding of what it's actually going to be like. Let's get started. Okay, so I just finished my first 3 classes, and how I've scheduled myself since I live here is that I teach 3 hours a day. If I haven't told you guys before, each class is 25 minutes. So I usually teach 3 classes from 4 to 5. So 4, 4:30, 5. Then I have a 30-minute break, and then I teach another 3 classes from 6, 6:30, and 7. So in total, that amounts to about 3 hours of work for the day. Okay guys, so that's a wrap. I'm officially done working. What I'm about to do right now is my feedbacks. After each class, you have to do a feedback, which is just a summary to help the student know how they did and how they can improve in class. And one thing that's actually great about Magic Ears is that your feedback can be done voice recorded. So all you have to do is record yourself telling the student how they did in class instead of having to type it, which makes it a lot easier. Again guys, Magic Ears is a great company. If you're interested in teaching with them, make sure you check all the information in the description box if you're ready to apply. All right guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.